Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Bharti Pandey and today we will drawing a ring. We start by sketching an oval with loose stalks from the shoulder. We draw the shapes and the width. I am using Apsara charcoal pencil on a paper that is white. We start shading and doing some reflections.